Hi, today we're going to be looking at how we can save Xcode and Playground projects onto an external or cloud drive without messing things up. So the first thing we want to do here is open up Xcode. So I've got Xcode right here, and I'm going to create a new project here. And you're all familiar with this page. I'm going to create just a dummy project. I'm going to call this Xcode 111, and I'm going to press next. Now this is really crucial where you're going to save this. Obviously I'm going to save this onto the desktop, and I will also save this onto a folder called sample files, which I have right here on my Mac. I'm going to press create, and that's it. Now if I open up this folder, you'll see that the folder is right here present. I'm going to go ahead and do this again, except this time I'm not going to create an Xcode project. What I'll be doing this time is creating a Playground project, and same thing, and I'm going to call this, I'm going to save it in the same sample file. I'm going to call it Playground 111. Okay, just a silly name just so that I know this is my file. Great, so I've created a project and a file. And you could put these anywhere you want. I'm putting them here. You could put them obviously, let's say on your desktop. I just don't want to clutter my desktop. So I've created a folder on my desktop to put all my sample files in. Now, one important thing to realize is this project right here, the actual project, a lot of people open this project and really you should never touch this folder. But some people open this folder and launch the app through here, which is fine, and think that this is the whole project. Well, no, this is the project file, the Xcode project file, but in order for the whole project to run and simulate and execute, you need all the different assets in the different folders. So really, this whole thing is the project. In fact, this original folder that we have here, this is the project. So what we want to do is when we upload this to, let's say, Google Drive, we don't want to do that. We don't want to just drag the folder. Reason being is you don't want to have folder with code, folders with files with code on a cloud server like Google Drive or OneDrive. What you want to do instead is you want to actually have a zip file. So on Mac OS, to zip any file or folder is to do the following. You right click and you press compress, and it'll give you the name of whatever the folder is. You do that and you give it a second, and it compressed the project. So if I uncompress the zip file, all I'll see is this folder. So here's what I need you to do. I need you to take this file, the zip file, and upload that. And that is the file that you can hand in or send to a friend or do whatever you want to do with. That file will then be received by whoever you're sending it to and downloaded and unzipped, which will reveal this folder. Now for Playground, you're thinking, okay, well, I don't need to do that for Playground because this is just one file. It's not a folder. Incorrect. So check this out. If I go ahead and add this file, it actually won't add a file, but it'll add multiple files. So remember, that's our project. Just give it a second. It'll actually add a folder, and if you open the folder, there's a bunch of files. And what you need to understand here is, let me go ahead and remove this. What you need to understand is a Playground folder, a Playground file is actually a folder. In fact, if I right click here and I say show package content, you'll see the 3 files that I tried to upload. So in every Playground file, there's multiple files. So what you want to do is you also want to zip this as well. Same thing, right click, compress, and then upload this file. Do not upload the actual Playground file, upload the zipped version of the file. Extremely crucial. Okay, perfect. And that's pretty much what I wanted to show you in this video. Thank you for watching.